Hi guys, welcome to Helen, Georgia. What a beautiful week it has been. I'm coming at you here towards the end, working my way back home. But I wanted to stop at this little pull-off and show you the beautiful backdrop. It's been an amazing trip. Got to surprise one of my very good friends for her wedding, Mr. and Mrs. Paul and Meg Vines. I wish you nothing but the best and lots of happiness. And guys, stay tuned. There's going to be an amazing video to follow.
Welcome to Ruby Falls. Ruby Falls lies in the heart of the Chattahoochee National Forest and has become one of northern Georgia's premier vacation destinations. We visited the twin waterfalls, plunging more than 150 feet on the paved trail from the visitors' information center. While you enjoy some of the picnic areas at any of the picnic sites and take a short walk on the Lion's Eye Trail, a short 0.1 mile paved hiking trail for people who visually impaired with the wonderful signs in both normal and texting for braille. Guys, this waterfall, if you've never been to Ruby Falls, is definitely worth checking out. I'll pause for just a second to let you enjoy. The hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 7 days a week. It's $5 admission per person. There's no admission after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Takes about 29 minutes round trip. I made it in 28 and a half, and that was really trucking it. I cannot talk highly of this. Such a beautiful sight to see. My friends along the way that we came up here with and got to see all of it. So I hope you all enjoy.